left it in my roots for 15, then I pulled it down through all my hair and then left it in my whole hair for another 15. Total 30 minutes. And it's just finished drying. I am impressed. So if you see, so far I love it. It definitely took out the yellow, toned down the brassiness. My hair looks very even. My hair looks very even color. I like the color that it looks very similar to the color in the box too. I'm impressed with this so far. I'm gonna go ahead, do the highlights, come back, let you know what I think about that. Be right back. And here we go. Where's my little finger? Here's a little finger that they give you. Little finger like that. And they also have, you get a little finger to pull it through. And you also have the wand, the highlighting wand. So you can do probably thicker highlights with the wand, thinner ones with the finger, I'm guessing. So let's try it out. I took it, I hold my hair like this. I take the wand and I go down like that and then go up. It's hard trying to do it all the way through because it's gonna stop as you do it. So again, hold your hair like a ponytail, go down, then up, and do it on the opposite side. Then I take the little finger thing and then do the roots. So we'll see how it goes. I have about 5 minutes more and I'll come back after it's dry and show you guys. Be right back. Okay, the highlights are subtle. You can see them, but they're subtle. I did only leave it in for 10 minutes because I didn't want it to go too blonde. I really like the first color, the solid color of it. I mean, I guess the highlights added something to it. It's very subtle, but it all blends. I do like it. I would recommend this. And what I'm planning to do is next time that I dye my hair, in probably like 3 to 4 months, is just do the roots. And then probably 3 more months after that, go back and do this again. Because I do really, really, really like how it toned down all the brassiness and yellow out of my hair and made it a little bit darker. So, yes. So, yeah. 2 thumbs up.